What's going on, guys? Another technical analysis video here. My name is Kevin Svenson. I'm not an expert. I've just been doing a lot of research for the past few years. Tons of technical analysis, chart analysis, and also just fundamental research about cryptocurrencies in general. So recently I've been doing a lot of technical analysis videos. Those aren't the only videos I'm going to be doing. Right now, Bitcoin is in an interesting place in terms of its price, so I think it's pretty important to keep up with it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Pretty interesting to see that this resistance trend that I've been following throughout most of my technical analysis videos is playing a pretty big role right now. So looking at this resistance trend that we've been following, moving into the 6-hour, you can see that the price got above right before the reversal just for a little bit, and we saw that reversal right there. And we saw a little bit of a bull run here, and we got rejected above this we actually got above the resistance trend for a little bit there. So the price stair-stepped its way up here, up to 11,000. And then we saw a pretty quick sell-off here. I thought what was interesting though is on this first sell-off here, the price came down and literally perfectly touched itself onto this trend line. So you can see here that resistance trend playing a role here. The resistance trend, playing its role, acting as resistance, and we got a price break above. Pretty far swing to the upside here. Sideways trading, a little bit more of a bull run, and then a quick sell-off here. And the price came down, respected that trend, the resistance trend, pretty well here. And then eventually, it really wasn't able to hold. Got a break below, came back up, hit that trend line again, and then broke through. Pretty harsh sell-offs happening here. Some more sideways trading and moving in, and now we are testing the support area. Draw a little trend line here. Let's see what support level we're at. So just looking at these 2 points in this line, going to swing the line around, just close it in right here, and you can see that we meet these. This is a pretty interesting support level to be looking at, and we're right on that right now. So if we break below this support level, it's a little bit of a bearish indication, and we're pretty close to it right now, trading right above it there. If you watch my videos, you've known that I've had my eye on this trend the whole time, and I've been expecting this to play a pretty big role. So guys, definitely keep an eye on this because this is playing a huge role right now. This resistance trend playing a huge role in this price action. I mean, it's staying within this area. I'm sure you've noticed that I don't talk much about indicators. I do use them in between when I'm doing some TA, but overall, I don't really rely on them that much. Honestly, volume is my main indicator. Volume is key. This is, guys, when you're looking at volume, you're looking at the heartbeat of the market. It's the most valuable tool there is above all else. In my opinion, looking at the volume is the most valuable tool you have. Like I've said in my previous videos, I do think that the momentum is to the downside still. If you look over here at when Bitcoin was going up, the price movements were generally up. The swings were going upward. There was sharp downward movements, but I mean always met with those upward swings. And you're looking at it now, and it's I mean the momentum is definitely, I mean looking at these prices here, guys, the momentum is to the downside for sure. The price is going down more often than it's going up since that top is what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about, obviously Bitcoin is just up. Like, Bitcoin is on Jupiter, guys. It's not even on the moon. Bitcoin is on Jupiter right now. And right now the momentum is to the downside. It is possible, of course, that we see something like this. Price comes down, breaks above, and we start building up. That's possible, but personally, like I've said in my previous videos, I do think that we are going to see a lot more downside in terms of Bitcoin as a whole from a large-scale perspective. Also, just to note, guys, when I'm in these videos, I'm not giving advice for any short-term trades. I'm just talking about how I see this overall, because I'm not a day trader. I like to trade long-term. I like to find the macro trends within Bitcoin. The big swings is what I'm looking for. And yeah, so don't take any of my videos as day trading advice. You know, you could have made a lot of money right here, but I'm definitely still bearish on Bitcoin overall until we can get a clear break above this resistance trend. I'm definitely still bearish on Bitcoin, and I do think the market is going to reset itself and bring itself to more of a stable area. And then once we're at a stable area, we can see a nice upswing as institutions come in and start accumulating. But yeah, guys, I hope these videos have been a learning experience. I hope you guys are taking some of the information away as you learn how to do some more technical analysis yourself. I'll see you soon.